Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be fixing my mailbox. I just finished building this. 2 weeks later, somebody plowed into my mailbox and destroyed it. Now, he left a note to apologize. I called him. He was going to give me some money. I offered just to give me money for the materials. 90 bucks would cover it, and he never showed up. Never gave me the money, so I just need to go ahead and fix it and get this over with. So before I can start putting this back together, I need to chisel off all the leftover mortar from before. So every surface of the brick needs to be clean so that I can put new cement in there and it'll hold it together. Some neighborhood kids got curious about what I was doing, had a bunch of questions about how I was going to fix this and the tools I was using. Then they got bored and walked off. Now the main problem I have here is the mailbox is way too heavy. Thankfully it's solid, it's in one piece, but I cannot lift this up alone. So I'm gonna slowly jack it up till I get it about level with where it needs to go. Then I've got a couple friends that are gonna come over and help me lift it onto the mailbox and I can cement it back together. As I was working throughout the day, our neighbors stopped by on either side of us and across the street to see how I was doing, to offer their input on how to lift this up, and also to just mention how sorry they were that a beautiful mailbox like this was destroyed in our neighborhood. Now before I can place the top back on the mailbox, I need to build up all the loose bricks that have fallen off and that I've cleaned off. I need to build that back up. It's a lot slower to build something back up the second time with all the gaps that need to be filled. But I'm going to try my best to get that to line up and stay square like it was originally. Now I don't want this mailbox to get destroyed again, so I'm actually going to fill the center of the mailbox with cement and put some rebar in that cement as well to strengthen it up. So I'm going to mix them up, completely fill the center so this will not budge again. Cement will actually bond with itself or other cement that's been dried. So I'm gonna throw all the chips of mortar that I chiseled off the bricks into the center as filler to help fill up that hole and use a little bit less of the new cement. Now I just need to jack this up a little bit more. It's almost to the height of the base, and that's where I need it to be. And then I'll call a couple of my friends to come over, and they're gonna help me lift it onto the base. Now the camera got tipped over right before we started lifting this up and putting it in place. So I'm sorry I missed that, but basically 3 of us were just barely able to lift this onto the base. And a few of the joints got squeezed out as we set the cement on top. It was so heavy, so I was able to go in behind and fill that in and get it looking nice afterwards. But we're gonna fill in the center of this mailbox all the way up to the top with cement, and I'm gonna put in a few more rebars as well to strengthen that up. But I need to repair the joints on the outside, smooth that out. I'll put on the top, and then it will be all set to dry. Hey, don't forget to check out some more of my videos up in the top right corner. You can click on that link and it'll show you a bunch of other videos that I think you would like. Alright guys, here's the finished mailbox. It's all back together. It feels really good to have a mailbox again instead of it all crumbled on the ground. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this or was helpful for you. If you did like this video, hit that like button down below. That helps me out a ton, and it helps YouTube know that this is a good video and will share with other people as well. So to finish up the video, I'm just going to quickly pick everything up, and then I'll show you guys a before and after picture of this mailbox. Alright guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Also hit that bell icon if you want YouTube to let you know when I upload a new video. And hit that like button if you want to let me know you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.